Now let me talk about a term called pilot survey. Now what is pilot survey? Pilot survey is also called as try out survey or a sample survey. Now this kind of survey is used as pre-testing for a bigger survey that we have to conduct. Now the biggest advantage of this pilot survey is that we come to know about the shortcomings and drawbacks of the questionnaire that we have prepared. Wherever we feel that the people have not filled up a particular question, or they have been hesitant, or there have been vague answers, that is the time we know that this is not a fit question. So this pilot survey helps in the conducting of the survey in a better manner because we pre-test our survey beforehand. Now let me talk of the other two kind of surveys, that is the census survey and the sample survey. The census survey talks about every element of the population, and this is generally conducted after every 10 years. It is the demographic representation of the population, meaning to say about the literacy rate of the population, the birth rate of the population, the death rate of the population, the workforce, etc. So all these informations are derived, collected by the census survey method. This census survey is conducted by the Registrar Council of India. The second that we have is the sample survey. When we do not have the sufficient means, time, energy, and that is the time we collect sample survey. This is done for a group of people, section of people, and thus the cost which comes out is lower and is also less time consuming. But this sample survey will have many disadvantages. For example, supposing I want to conduct a survey in a particular community of their income level. I will collect, say, information from the 500 people which are staying there. I will collect information from 50 people. Now in this sampling process, in the sample survey method, where I can go wrong is that the people whom I have collected, the 50, it could be the rich ones, or it could be the poor ones, or it could be the middle ones. So I will not be able to gather the average income information of the people residing there. And it could be at my leisure. I might take the ones which are there in line 50. So this might not be a very accurate method of collecting information. Of course, if I increase the sample survey, that is the number of people involving, then maybe the results might be better than what they are. But the census survey gives us a detailed information, and the sample survey is the one which gives us information on a sample basis.